Hi guys, welcome back to ACJ Gaming. This is JJ, and today I'm bringing a 3 booster pack opening. I got a Phantom Forces and 2 Primal Clashes. Get into this real quick. Here is the code. Put the uncommon and rare in the back. And let's get into this. We got a Luminis, Slugma, Torchic, Meryl, Surskit, Kuma, Escape Rope.
That's Kakuna.
I can't, shut up. CeeLo.
Ah.
Our reverse hollow is Electrike. And the last rare is Corvus. And we're laughing because Craig is making fun of me because I cannot pronounce words. Alright, second pack is another Primal Clash.
We love you, JJ.
Thank you guys. Andrew and Craig in the background making fun of me. It's okay. We all love each other. Not in a gay way. Here's another code for you guys. I can't talk. How do you spell it?
Spiel.
Spiel. Mudkip.
Feedback.
Feedback. Slugma.
Bunnelby.
Bunnelby. Repeat Ball.
The Blade.
The Blade. Scorched Earth. Wish Cash.
That's the reverse. And the rare.
It's a Beedrill.
Ooh, that's a good Beedrill.
But it's not hollow.
Yeah, it is. It's a good Beedrill.
Last pack is the Phantom Forces with Gengar on the front. It's super hard to open, so it's usually a good pack. Here's your guys' code.
Hunkaboo.
Hunkaboo. Sparrow.
Spearow. Gulpin.
Gulpin. Totodile. Yanma. Giraffe Rig.
I don't know that one. Giraffe Rig.
Yeah, I got it right. Swag. Manectric. Spirit Link. Trainer.
Zealous.
Dimensions Valley. Reverse Hollow. And a Deontay Hollow Foil.
It's a good pull.
And the only hollow foil we got is this Deontay. And thank you guys for watching, and we'll be back.